All right, next we are on objective 4 in chapter 8.2. So we're finding the net amount due after merchandise has been returned. So sometimes somebody's going to return merchandise, and basically before we do anything with cash discounts, the amount of returned merchandise is actually subtracted from the net of the invoice. So we'll see that in an example. So in the example, it tells us that we have an invoice that's for $3,688. The terms are: you get a 2% discount if you pay within 10 days. That 2 over 10, 2% discount if you pay within 10 days. If not, the whole thing is due within 30. However, there is $1,175 worth of merchandise returned. So before we calculate any cash discount, what we need to do first is subtract the returned merchandise from our net invoice total. So the invoice was $3,688, and they gave back merchandise worth $1,075, so that leaves us with $2,513. This is what we're going to base our cash discount on. So you're not going to calculate the discount until you return the merchandise. So take away the merchandise value first. Okay, now it's basically like what we've been doing so far. So we know if they pay this within 10 days, and I'm assuming we're assuming that they do pay it within the 10 days. So to calculate the cash discount, we use this new value, $2,513, and they're going to get a 2% discount. So we're going to multiply by 2%, but we're not going to use 2, we're going to use 0.02. So they're going to get $50.26 off their invoice amount. So now we take the total invoice amount, subtract the cash discount. So what are they owing in total after they've returned? $2,462.74. So you always subtract the merchandise amount from the invoice total before you calculate any cash discounts.